The Road to Tomorrow. My name is Alex, and I want to share a story about a time when I felt lost but found a way forward. It is a story of falling, but also of standing back up. There was a point in my life when everything seemed dark. I had just lost my job, and with it, my confidence. Every morning, I woke up with a heavy heart. The clock ticked, but the days felt empty. My dreams, which once felt so close, now seemed like distant stars. Beautiful, but unreachable. I remember sitting by my small window one evening, watching the sunset. The sky was a mix of orange and pink, but I couldn't feel its beauty. I just saw another day ending, another day wasted. My mind was full of questions. Why me? What did I do wrong? Is this how my life will be forever? One morning, my friend Sam called me. He said, "Alex, let's go for a walk." I didn't want to go, but he insisted. So I put on my old sneakers and met him at the park. We walked in silence at first, but then he started talking about a time when he was also at his lowest. He said, "I thought my life was over, but then I realized something important. Life doesn't stop when we fall. It keeps moving and we have to move with it." His words stuck with me. That night, I couldn't sleep. I kept thinking, life keeps moving. The next day, I made a small promise to myself. I didn't have a job yet, and I didn't have a plan, but I decided to start somewhere. I took an old notebook and wrote down 3 simple goals for the week. 1. Wake up at 7 a.m. every day. 2. Go for a walk every morning. 3. Apply for at least 1 job daily. They were small steps, but they were steps forward. At first it was hard. Some mornings, I didn't want to get out of bed, but I remembered Sam's words. Life keeps moving. So I got up. I went for walks and listened to the sound of the birds. I filled out job applications, even when I doubted myself. Weeks passed, and then something amazing happened. I got a call for an interview. My heart raced. It wasn't a big job, just a small position at a local store, but it was something. I prepared for the interview like it was the most important day of my life. The interview wasn't perfect. I stumbled over some answers, and my hands were shaking, but I smiled and spoke from the heart. A few days later, they called me back and offered me the job. I remember standing in my tiny apartment, holding the phone, tears running down my face. It wasn't just about the job. It was about hope. It was proof that I could move forward. From that day, I kept setting small goals. Slowly, life started to change. I met new people at work, made new friends, and began to dream again. If you are feeling lost right now, I want you to know something. It's okay to fall. It's okay to feel sad. But don't stay there. Take small steps, even if it's just waking up a little earlier, going for a short walk, or writing down your goals. Start somewhere. Life keeps moving, and so can you. Because every small step today is a road to a brighter tomorrow.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next one. See you soon.